Have a nice day, everyone. I will speak in this video about the puzzle of this aircraft. What about this aircraft puzzle? This is a registration of the aircraft, T7-WSS. This is the date, my photo, my channel, these items. I hope to complete them. This is the tail of the aircraft, and this is the engine, twin engine at the tail. This is T7. What does that mean, T7? The code, this code means the country registration. The country registration of this aircraft. And this is the registration of the airline or the owner. It is commercial or private. This is private jet. The owner unknown. Registered in San Marino. This is registered T7. Each country has its code. Okay? Operated by Flying Group Middle East, based in Dubai Airport. The aircraft type Bombardier Global Express. The flight date Wednesday, 16 August 2023. This is the maps of the countries which has this puzzle. Registered in San Marino. Where San Marino? Here. This is San Marino. Here, Italy. Mediterranean Sea. Zoom. Here is the San Marino, which red color. Okay, bordered with red color. The flight depart from Egypt. Where is Egypt? In Africa. This is Africa, and this is Egypt here. You go to zoom, here Egypt. This is the Mediterranean Sea, and this is the Red Sea. Okay, and this is Egypt. Arrived to Zambia. Where is Zambia? Zambia and the Africa also. Here is Zambia here. Okay, we will go to zoom. This is zoom here, Zambia. I will not talk about the security, the gold and dollar. I don't mean that. I just talk about some information about the aircraft only. Okay? You can go to the details and the news or the social media and the news. كان معكم مهندس هيكل ومحرك B1 عباس محمود. This is my email and this is my phone. I am waiting your comments and your suggestions. أي اقتراحات أو أي إضافات أو أي أسئلة. شكرا جزيلا والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله.